Hello students, good morning. This GK period we are going to learn chapter number 24 musically inclined. Here given many musical instruments. There are three types of musical instruments: percussion, wind and string. Children, do you know what are the three types of musical instruments? What's the meaning of percussion? Percussion means the instrument sounded by being struck or scraped by a beater. And next one is wind instrument. Wind instrument means the instrument is produced sound by vibration of air or blowing into the instrument. And third one is string. String instrument means it produces sound from vibrating strings when performer plays or sounds instrument in some manner. Now you understood the three types of musical instruments. Now here we can read the question. Read the clues given below. Name the musical instruments with the help of the box and write their type. Here given Shehnai, bagpipe, veena, tabla, sitar, violin. Children, do you know what is a Shehnai? Shehnai is an Indian musical instrument and it is made of wood with a double reed at one end and the metal or wooden flayed bell in other end. It is a wind instrument. Shehnai is a wind instrument. This instrument is a must at all Indian marriages. It is played at all Indian marriages. That is Shehnai. The famous Shehnai player is Ustad Bismillah Khan. Okay, next one is bagpipe. It is a traditional instrument of Scotland. It has a bag attached to it. Bagpipes is a wind instrument consisting of two or more single or double reed pipes. The reeds being set in motion by wind fed by arm pressure or an animal skin or rubberized clothes. And those who play bagpipes is called piper. And this is a traditional instrument of Scotland. It is a wind instrument because it is played by wind. So the pressure of wind. So it is a wind instrument. And the third one, veena. What is veena? This instrument belongs to goddess Saraswati. Here, veena is an ancient musical instrument. It has many different names such as Rudra Veena, Saraswati Veena, Vijitra Veena and others. Here given Veena, that is Saraswati Veena. The most famous Saraswati Veena player in India is Jayanti Kumaresh. Here picture given. Next one is Veena is a string instrument. And next one, tabla. What is tabla? The tabla is a pair of two in-hand drums from the Indian continent. The famous the instrument is played by Ustad Asad Zakir Hussain. Here picture given, the instrument is played Ustad Zakir Hussain. Veena. Veena is a percussion instrument. Veena is a percussion tabla is a percussion instrument. This instrument is played by Ustad Zakir Hussain. Picture also given here. And next one, sitar. Next one is sitar. What is sitar? Sitar is a plucked string instrument originated from India. It is used in Hindustani classical music. It is a stringed instrument. Pandit Ravi Shankar is the most famous sitar player in India. Sitar is invented by Amir Khusro, a famous Sufi poet in 13th century. So sitar is a string instrument. Sitar is a string instrument. And the famous sitarist is Pandit Ravi Shankar. Okay, next instrument is violin. This instrument is used in South India to play Indian classic music. Violin is a wooden chord phone with a hollow wooden body. It is a string instrument. Its another name is fiddle. The famous violinist in India is Lakshmi Narayana Subramaniam. Picture also given, Lakshmi Narayana Subramania. So, violin is a string instrument. Children, these are the three types of musical instruments and famous players. And there are the three types of music instruments. Now you understood: percussion, wind, and string. You can write answer in your book. Thank you.